Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today is a different video. Today I'm going to show the gully cricket in Germany. Yeah, let's go. So the first match is going on between Heilbronn 1 and Reutlingen. So we have 3 teams today. So this is how gully cricket looks in Germany. Oscar is bowling now. Still the first match going on, first innings. Bowling. After a tiring day of cricket, now we are making some grill. Raju and Veera. Yeah. Way to burn the coal. Philip starting the grill.
Ready for abortion.
Your age is okay. Think about don't remind about work.
Whose map is that? World map. This is first time I have seen world map.
Bhargavan Rashava. నా మొత్తం పేరు రాదంటే టీషర్ట్ మొత్తం సరిపోతానికి Bhargavan Rashava. Usually ఇది ఫస్ట్ టైం సెండ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కీలెన్.
So I think Bhaskar and Jacob smoking, huh?
Different color.
Bhaskar and Vikas leaving, so a gift from the cricket team.
Write one topic, just but everybody keep writing the messages. It won't be sufficient for training. Somebody just write.
Hey Raju, where are you guys? Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Bhaskar and Vikas, now you guys have to say one.
Isala cup namde. Isala cup namde.
Don't worry.
Isala cup namde.
Guys, let's just. Come on, guys. You have to speak.
It was really a wonderful experience. After I came to Wellbrown on February and I was really a little bit bored. And after that, this corona shit happened. But thankfully, like I met you guys. Like if you are not there, it would have been really like impossible for me to stay here in Wellbrown. I would have quit DLR and I would have went back to Berlin. So honestly, I'm saying I would have stayed here because only of you guys.
Yeah.
So
he
like,
has some anxiety problem. And
yeah,
usually this guy will not stay because people.
So first of all, I would like to thank all you people for being there. And as like I have a passion for cricket. I used to play I am playing for a lot of years, and I used to play wherever I go. So I thankful to God that I met you people, and then like we are really become good friends over the time, and then like it was really good that I have never expected this kind of T-shirt and this kind of travel for me.
Veera Sari. Naveen Veera. But the good thing is, from now we can make a trend.
Yeah, definitely. We'll make this as a trend.
But not T-shirt every time, but we'll try something else. Maybe bombs, birthday bombs. Yeah, guys.
That Yorker was awesome.
Yeah.
Fucking Yorker, it was amazing, man. Good bowler.
Now Vikas. Slow, keep it low.
Pollard is here because Hardik Pandya.
Come on, guys. We don't have that much space in vlog, so.
German language. German
I'm a bit emotional now because like I'm staying in nearby Heilbronn since 1 year, and I did an internship last 6 months in Audi and next 6 months in Bosch. And also I would like to thank Sandesh from our cricket group. Actually because of him I applied for Bosch, and that's why I'm staying here for extended 6 months. And also I would really like to thank Anil Bhai because
Anil bye bye. There's so two both. You say both.
Anil because I met him first time in the professional cricket, and then from next day onwards I think he started this tennis ball cricket group in Heilbronn, and then since past 2 summers, like last summer and this summer, we are playing. And also as we we are staying far away from our family, like friends or family in this country, and also it was one of my important phases in my career, professional career, as well as personally as well as. So I want to really thank everyone. And hopefully I had an interview today, Mercedes-Benz from Stuttgart. Hopefully I get this and I come back and play
for Heilbronn.
Yeah, that's good. Heilbronn Gully Boys cricket team.
Send out to Sachin Tendulkar.